following was recorded during the live Q&A session after Arnold's webinar, Precision Thin Metals, Titanium Market Applications and Supply Chain Capabilities. You can find the link to the full presentation, including more in-depth Q&A, in the video description below.
What is a typical maximum thickness of titanium that is suitable for stamping?
I would say I would start here, right? So titanium is typically provided in either one of two different tempers, one being annealed, which is just a very soft material, dead soft we call it, and the other being as rolled, which is more of a full hard or a typical tempered metal. I think for stamped products, usually that you're probably looking at as rolled temper, just because it's a little firmer, it's a little easier to stamp. It'd be difficult to put an exact maximum thickness on it, right? But I think there are certainly sheets and coils of titanium in the 20 to 35 thousandths range, maybe a little bit thicker. Again, Arnold plays in a pretty thin arena, if you will, in terms of, thin metal. We're ultra thin, right? So 025, 030, 035, those are thousandths of an inch. Speaking quickly in my world here, but those certainly can all be stamped. They're, with the right kind of tool and die setup. It's not probably the exact area where we serve the market. We're probably more in the 15 thousandths of an inch and below when it comes to titanium, and even thinner for those other alloys. But you should be able to stamp it at a similarly to other metals.